Hey guys, today we're gonna be fixing up a Zippo lighter. So, first, what you're gonna need is a small flathead screwdriver. And so what you're gonna do, open the case, grab this part right here. Get a little closer. Grab this part right here, pull that out. And you see that little screw? You take that, pull and screw it, lefty loosey. Take that out. And what else you're gonna need is like a little storage unit. So my grandma gave me this. It's a little chest. So you're gonna need like a little container and put that in there. Then you're gonna see that little hole. You're gonna dump your hand out. You're gonna dump whatever is in it out. It's called flint. See that thing? That's flint. So put that in the bin. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab this. Wait, no, you're gonna grab this little cotton piece right here. You take that out. Then you're gonna grab your screwdriver, stick it in there. Take all that cotton out. And next, what you're gonna do, you see a little thing inside. Gonna look like that over there. And then, well, you're gonna reach your thing in there. Take it out a little. Try and get that at the end. Oh wait, so you're gonna use your screwdriver, pull that out. Screwdriver, keep getting all that cotton out. And then we're gonna have a plain little lighter. This thing is gonna spin, this thing is gonna move. You're gonna have a plain little lighter. So then you're gonna put every one of those things in. Put the rest of the cotton and the wick in. What you're gonna do next is you're gonna set the case in there too. So we got to the part where I'm gonna show you how to put it back together. So what you're gonna do, take a piece of cotton, stuff it in the large side, stuff that in there. You take your screwdriver. No, that can't fit in there, but use the end. Push that cotton in there. And keep doing that with the rest of the cotton. I'm going to take that last piece with the hole in it. The hole goes right there. Push that in with your finger. And well, you got that part. And what you're going to do, you're take your small piece of flint out. And you're going to put it in that little hole right there. Then you're going to take your bendy screw, put it in that hole that you put the flint in. Just screw it righty tighty. Oh, sorry guys. Gonna have to take that all apart, all of that apart. I forgot one thing. No, I didn't. I actually didn't. Don't put the wick back in so you can't start a fire. And well, you fixed your Zippo later. And well, put that part that you took out. You're gonna open that case wide open. Put that right back in where it was. And then you're gonna have a case. And you're gonna have the working Zippo. Well, that's the end of today's video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.